Right, so today in self-isolation, I'm getting my nails gel painted. Kel, I'm getting gel paint.
Yeah.
What are you making, cakes?
I'm making a tea cake.
She's making a tea cake. I don't know what colours to go for. So I might go for, what am I going, what's my options?
Pink, hot pink like mine. Peach, brown. This one, I'm not really sure.
How many colours is there? Do me 5 colours, one on each nail. I'm only going to do one hand, just in
But
case I
look
can't
how
get it
dark
off.
that is.
What?
That's really dark.
Well, there's 6, so maybe miss that one out then.
There's not 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colours. These
5
aren't
colours, one on each finger. One colour, and then at least you can get a colour match, Kel, so you can see what they're like for another time. Oh, don't have to scratch them up.
You do? You have to, Adam.
No, because I don't want them scratched up.
You have to.
Yeah, but I might go.
It won't stick.
Well, then I can't have them scratched up.
Well, then you can't have the paint's going over it though.
Yeah.
Next customer.
Just.
Actually, to be honest,
Yeah,
I don't think that matters.
No. Let's go without the scratching up.
Shall I just?
My cuticles are fine. Look, they're like.
You should have said mum with
If
mine.
you wanted it done, your nails done, you have to have it done properly.
Yeah, I don't want it scratched up though.
You should. That's where I get the long nail beds from, mum. Have you seen his?
Yeah, I've always had long nails because I don't chew
They
my
tell
nails.
me
Look,
in the Chinese
that's
shop.
like the perfect this now. Look at that. Look at that. Do you reckon at the shop they would charge extra for that file? They say that counts as 2 fingers.
Right, in there.
Oh, it's hot.
It's not hot. Shall I do the double power, mum? Shall I do the double power?
No, don't do double power. How long do you do? 10 seconds in
No,
that?
that's 30 seconds.
Oh.
But that will go up until 2 minutes, but because I didn't press the button. But it doesn't matter.
You wouldn't use that colour, would you?
Did you just use that one?
No, I'm not using that on them all.
I'm not going to use that colour.
I've done it in more thicker layers. Might take a while to dry.
Do you reckon?
Maybe.
How long's a while?
Don't know.
Put them in here.
Yeah.
How long in
Don't
there?
smudge them. Don't know. I might leave it.
Right, they're in there. I can't smudge them.
And then it's top coat. and
Oh,
then-
is that automatic, that thing? So when I turn that on?
Yeah, but it'll go up to 2 minutes. But if you want a time, then you press one of them.
We got that from Amazon. I'll put a link below. How's that cake going, Kel? So how long are you saying for this? Because it's been 25 seconds.
I don't know. Might leave it for a minute, and then do the top coat.
Do the double power. Oh, it's gone cold.
Was that warmer? Yeah, look. It goes a lot brighter colour.
Goes brighter.
Yeah, did you not see that?
No,
It should feel warmer as well. Coat. and
How do you know
then-
it's dry?
Hey, you've actually smudged it.
Ah, I smudged one. Well, I don't know what I can do about that. I don't know. I don't know how I did that.
I don't
What did I knock it on? Oh, look.
your finger.
There.
Doing it again.
That was my fault. I smudged one. I actually smudged
Right.
it.
Thumb,
So what's this?
top coat.
So this is the top coat. What does the top coat do?
Makes it. I don't know. What does the top coat do, Mum?
It sets it off, doesn't it?
Sets it, apparently. The top coat sets it off.
Nice and shiny.
But I did smudge one. My fault. I was so disappointed with that one. What could I do about that?
I could. Do you want me to put some?
No. I'm just saying if I wanted to.
That one would probably need another coat again.
That one would need doing again.
Right.
Back
there.
in.
Yeah.
Back in there. I think I feel like I just smudged it again. So when I put it in there, my fingers go
Just
together.
be careful, because I get told off when I do that at the nail shop?
Like 46 seconds, Em. I'm like,
I don't know. I don't want them to not be dry. But after when I left
it's all a
mine
bit
in
of a
there,
guessing game.
I left mine in there for 2 minutes yesterday and they were dry with the top coat.
Oh, I'm going to leave it for 2 minutes then. How's that cake going? All these nail stuff, this is all off Amazon. There's this hand, you have to use that hand gel to clean them, don't you?
I
But
don't
hand
think that's
gel's
the way you
hard to
properly
get hold
do
of
it,
at the
but that's
moment.
what that's
You meant to
what
use
we've-
alcohol wipes, it said.
Yeah.
But that stuff's hard getting hold
Should
of.
be-
So we've improvised there with that.
Yeah.
Right, 120,
Right.
2 minutes.
Out. They're dry.
Dry, we're done. Look at them. Not too sure I like the brand. Not 100% on that colour either. That one's not bad. That one's quite nice.
I've done them good, Mum.
Yeah.
They're dry as well. Maybe. You put them just... I don't think you need any.
I don't need no oil on them. Look at them. So we're also making cake. So what cake's this, Kel?
It's a tea loaf.
Tea loaf.
There's the recipe here.
Tea loaf. Here's the recipe.
It's
Classic.
bake-off one.
It's a bake-off one. Tea thing.
I'm liking this gel stuff, Mum.
That'll be it for this video.